Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome to Skein Spider. In today's Scrap Stash video, we're going to be making this octopus pattern. So grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, 8-ply yarn in white, black, light blue, and 2 other colours of your choice. We're going to begin by making the body. Put 6 single crochet into a magic circle for round 1. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish with 2 single crochet. Round 7 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 8 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 6 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish with 3 single crochet. Round 9 is 48 single crochet. Round 10 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Rounds 11 through to 15 are 54 single crochet. Round 16 is 8 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 16 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice. Finish with 8 single crochet. Round 17 through to 20 are 51 single crochet. Round 21 is 15 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 22 through to 24 is 48 single crochet. Round 25 is 7 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 14 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice. Finish with 7 single crochet. Round 26 and 27 are 45 single crochet. Round 28, 13 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 29 is 42 single crochet. For round 30, we're going to be working entirely into the back loop. So do 42 single crochet in the back loop only. Round 31 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 32 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. At this point, secure your end and start to stuff the octopus body. When you've finished stuffing, we're going to continue with round 33, which is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 34 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 35 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times, and round 36, our final round, is 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. For this octopus, there are 4 leg patterns. You're going to make 2 of each. They're all the same from rounds 1 to 11. So for leg 1, I'm going to read out rounds 1 to 11. But for the next 3 patterns, I'm going to skip rounds 1 to 11 and just read from round 12 onwards. So for leg 1, we're going to begin by putting 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 3 is 6 single crochet. Round 4 is 1 increase, 5 single crochet. Round 5 is 7 single crochet. Round 6 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 7 is 4 slip stitches and then 4 half double crochet. Round 8 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 9 is 5 slip stitches followed by 5 half double crochet. Round 10 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. And round 11 is 6 slip stitches followed by 6 half double crochet. At this point, stop, secure your end and begin to stuff the leg. And then we're going to continue with round 12. For leg 1 or tentacle 1, whichever way you want to refer to it, rounds 12 through to 16 are going to be 12 single crochet. Round 17 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. At this point, stop and add a little bit more stuffing. Then rounds 18 through to 22 are going to be 14 single crochet. Round 23 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Again, stop and add a little bit more stuffing. And then rounds 24 through to 30 are going to be 16 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For leg or tentacle number 2, you're going to do the same pattern from rounds 1 to 11 and then begin to stuff it. Then round 12 is going to be 6 slip stitches followed by 6 half double crochet. Rounds 13 through to 16 are 12 single crochet. At this point, you're going to add a little bit more stuffing to the tentacle. Round 17 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Rounds 18, 19 and 20 are 3 slip stitches, 7 half double crochet and then 4 slip stitches. Rounds 21 to 22 are 14 single crochet. You can add a little bit more stuffing here. Then rounds 23 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. And then rounds 24 through to 30 are 16 single crochet. With tentacle / leg number 3, same thing for rounds 1 to 11. Again, add some stuffing after round 11. Then rounds 12 to 13 are going to be 6 slip stitches and followed by 6 half double crochet. Rounds 14 through to 16 are 12 single crochet, add a little bit more stuffing. And then round 17 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Rounds 18 through to 22 are 14 single crochet. Round 23 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice, add a little bit more stuffing. Rounds 24, 25 and 26 are going to be 4 slip stitches, followed by 8 half double crochet and then another 4 slip stitches. And then rounds 27 through to 30 are going to be 16 single crochet. final leg, leg number 4, also follows the same pattern from rounds 1 to 11 and stuffing after that. Then rounds 12 to 13 are 12 single crochet. Rounds 14 to 15 are 6 slip stitches, followed by 6 half double crochet. Round 16 is 12 single crochet. Round 17 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Add some more stuffing at this point. Rounds 18 and 19 are 3 half double crochet, 7 slip stitches, followed by 4 half double crochet. Round 20 is 14 single crochet. Rounds 21 and 22 are 4 slip stitches, 7 half double crochet, followed by 3 slip stitches. Round 23 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Add a little bit more stuffing. Round 24 to 25 is 5 slip stitches, 8 half double crochet and 3 slip stitches. Round 26 to 27 is 5 half double crochet, 8 slip stitches and then 3 half double crochet. And finally, rounds 28 through to 30 are 16 single crochet. To make the backing for the eye, you're going to need your white yarn, and then you're going to put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. And round 4, the final round, is 1 single crochet followed by an increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. To make the eyes, you're going to need your black and light blue yarn. Begin with the black and put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. At the end of this round, you're going to change colours to your light blue, and then round 4 in light blue is just going to be 8 single crochet. The pupil is nice and simple. All you're going to do is, with your white yarn, put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. To create all the spots, we're going to use the following pattern. Round 1 is 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases, and round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. To make the small spot, you're just going to follow round 1. For the medium spot, you're going to use rounds 1 and 2, and for the large spot, do rounds 1, 2 and 3. To assemble your octopus, begin by sewing the pupil on to the eye. You're going to sew it on opposite that line of 8 light blue single crochet that we did. Once you've sewn the pupil on, you can add a little sparkle or reflection with the remaining white yarn if you like. After that, set the eyes aside, and we're going to sew the white backing for the eye onto the octopus body. Line the tops of the white backing up to the octopus body between rounds 10 and 11, and situate the 2 pieces about 2 or 3 stitches apart. Once you've pinned them in place, go ahead and sew those on. Once the white backing is sewn on, you're going to sew the eyes on top of that. I like to place my eyes towards the inside of the white backing, but you can choose wherever you want to place yours, doesn't really matter. Once you've got them where you like them, go ahead and sew those on too. After the eyes, we're going to sew the 3 spots onto the top of the head. The last pieces we need to sew on are going to be the legs. You're going to pin them in place all around the body, spacing them approximately 1 stitch apart, but depending on your tension and how big the octopus body ended up, you may need to move these around a little bit. So I'd suggest pin them all in place, and if you need to do some rearranging and move them, do that before you sew them on. When you've got the legs where you want them, go ahead and sew those on too. And with that, all our sewing is done. All we're going to do to finish is just add some little rosy cheeks and a bit of a smile. And with that, your octopus is all finished. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this octopus pattern. If you did, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all next week with another pattern.